Serious one, problem. Are you serious? I can't affirm it. Da. Oh. Yeah, why?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What you want to say?
I mean, I don't know. What should you show?
With my child.
Okay.
Me patrol the family Richard. Oboy with Sarah people are a different.
Okay.
Now me patrol Hannah. Oboy be power.
I am your sister. Or probably she by I am really so good. Oboy say who's cause so we need to them from our arena.
Who's school? Our arena no wash.
Of course, because as you can see, if it was car. Yeah. We have the money, so yeah, it's can't a problem, sir. Yeah.
Okay. After all, you know, the 7 so many no my room if you school.
Oh, I can sorry.
Okay. But you mentioned my room and penny if you saw me so power.
Okay.
And I mentioned me see so no. Me na me so sonda ibi na me wa boga. I would say, and I make a semi song, and I may worry and ma what I know, and mamma 6.
Hey,
yes. Now, as a dan can you say me, do you upon the song they say, and more 6 in one or one do music a year and 1 year. No, we say, oh, get now year and 1 year, no, I know. No one chilling that because of 4 village. Hey, we do suffer, and then 9.
I'll be Miss Waffle. Ejankuto.
Ah! Ejankuto ne sami ami kapu. Ejankuto me na me ejankuto be ejankuto. Sai. Tawo ejankuto ya sori ni nkuto sai. Me na me ko di bua. Ko fon kuto. Kabo ka kese ma. Me deba. Me basa me dugu be. Ela ka no tio. Se na ka no engine wo mu nyina yi ato. Me no me sa da sie ka ni na dwo na me din kuto ni bele. Eti eje kuto di Oboy recha woni me se na tade e she.
Okay.
Insukra.
Nti ne kra ne say.
Ne kra de say ne wo sister wonya be ma ni nyamfo bi nyamfo fashion. Be ma woni ne tina bo brown tunte. Na me ankasa wo hwese de mesi afa me hu ya. Tuzo sister kra no onye hu me kra no. We feel that.
Now watching.
Wunim. Chese sika me kan nyina je tai bubu sika me na me kan sa na chese pressure me pen tam ba hande.
Oh, energy.
Enye apart from tie what would be more.
Oh, that be very nice.
Yeah. So where is your sis?
We are Kataba we Nico. Oh yeah. It's in only me for sister. Me friend sister.
Me patch.
Somebody's looking for you. I don't know.
What does he want?
He said he wants to marry you.
How does he want me?
You, yeah.
Yeah, hi.
Hello.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good, yourself?
Good.
Okay.
Your sister?
Yes. So we have a husband now.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, me, husband.
What's he saying?
Me, you husband.
He said he likes you.
You like me?
Yeah, like you mean like what? Yeah, you see me?
Is he really serious?
Yeah.
He's serious. As you can see.
As you can see.
Then what's he doing?
You see?
Hey babe, is he really educated?
Also, I go school.
Oh yeah, go many school, more school.
School where?
More school. Me, I go Serwaa senior high.
Serwaa.
Of course.
Serwaa where?
Serwaa long, yeah, good.
I said girls' school. Since do you know Serwaa?
No. I'm not talking about girls' school. I'm talking about Serwaa.
Serwaa what?
Serwaa senior high.
So do you know something? Do you know that your friend, that fair girl?
Oh, sure.
Exactly. That's her school. So I don't know what he's talking about. School, babe. And bar school.
So he wants to go to school.
I don't really know.
No. Serwaa Nyako.
Serwaa Nyako bar school.
Oh, the name Serwaa confuse you. I say Sapon. Sapon Senior High School.
Okay.
Off Lake Road, Edumasa. Inside the corner, there's a school there.
I don't really understand what he's saying, so I'm going to okay.
I will talk to you. I will, summarize it and,
So take.
Says, please can you go inside and continue whatever you're doing?
Okay,
You said?
it's okay.
Hey, please. No, excuse me. Let me say one word to you, please. You know, I'm a gentleman. You have boof sheep. That's all we're in.
I don't understand what you're saying.
You don't understand.
Says, please can you go inside? I will,
Hey, please, can you come inside? See something.
Please.
Bro, for you cry, won't say.
Hello. Please, your name. Please, your name.
What?
Your name?
Yeah, you
His
name.
Yeah.
I'm Mavis.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know, maybe.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, you come on. Yeah, I don't go.
Come on, I don't go. What you're saying? I'm going.
You two, come on. I said, come on.
Who was that for?
You said?
Who was that for?
For to say.
Okay, my name call.
He said, come on.
Sis, I'll talk to you later, okay?
Hello. Come on. Why don't you come on?
Come on, Auntie Nancy Blah. Nickname Yaba. De. Kola wait to me, Anka. What's your boga?
The beginning of your boga. I didn't catch yourself. I mean, kind of cringe. We are sitting here. The person will tone Yari and Unyam.
The new moon.
No crane media school. Tea, you won't say, do junction as well. Once you're not going to book a book of it on Sundays.
Kuverano!
Yeah, how's the master? You should have done it. I said that you really. What? Who was that? The whole book with Tom and Darlington. I catch me, assembly my soul information minister. I catch them, they say, now will be a we need dressing to be grand at or the way a campaign of winning. Don't you know what they are? I didn't say what he a campaign of winning. That means winning something better.
I'm packed. I didn't supposed to be a boy anymore because I know one or the year.
What's able to Victor talent?
I'm more quiet.
And you're more quiet.
Coelios.
See, if you are sitting in Queen, I say, to be it Miss Howe, and you're my book that chain. Say, you're bois, say, you'll be a no gun and you get all party. Oh, it's no crack. Say, okay, say, the Messiah kitchen means a be new beer and movie. Now I'm a two who we are sitting. Can you creeping pay to pay? The sister was me and two Yamisu big yachting. Seriously, if you say, oh, they say 24-hour economy, the whole Ghana, I mean, I'm best of Ghana. All the 16 regions, they say, be a mania branches, and then bought up that day, sugar, copper, Accra, Brikum, Kumasi means no 10 branches, Aswa. Who is another woman? Asafo, Omona, Bantama, Omona, the whole Yaman best of play could be. It no crazy and say, ye lie, man, would ye, Sikabi, because we need Yama, that no trouble. But there be a wood of a more Kuba.
In fact, it's that you could be.
And funny, you could be better said that, and the young say,
so quick.
Maybe 5 years.
So,
that you know.
Oh, the other
see, there's a my
there be Unyang Kunu put a cop.
It's easy. They should look at me. To be sister here. I'm really my house.
What is the Java on your highway now?
There be so to be on.
You.
Dear Mrofuna Roguno.
Mrs. Tasika.
It's really Namebua. You. Hey, some when you know, don't find me that.
I'm called by Manchester.
Yeah, we'll cry the hey, Uze, na no hobo Germany.
Bra, soleko.
Union, Uze, German prayer. Hey, boa my weapon, ne, on me book go Ghana.
Sir,
Yanni Ghana, ni Germany hobo. Men of me feel Uze na me catch it and they say, Olele, Nen, Sabon Kunsu, what the boat won't be mentioned. I'm putting up, what's Yanni Ghana boat, or don't call it Tushibu.
you want to so okay.
The what's said?
Sorry, Corey!
Excuse me.
Charlie, this is too much, so. Obi Abafia say no baby because of our reality.
Can I get some of this week? That's the nearby shop.
Of course. It's very nice.
And how much is it?
Very nice. Maybe you get it like 2,500. Yeah.
2,500.
Yeah, 2,500.
That's nice.
Almost $200. Yeah.
And that's cool.
Yeah. Very
Is it
soft.
rolled or not?
Let me see.
This. Check this. I think I found this.
Yeah, come in. I don't know.
Oh, wow. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Is that morning?
It's you guys are coming out.
Oh. Okay. Thanks for your mind.
Oh, that saying yes, so I'm going to feel
Yes,
that.
sir.
Me. It's not.
Who is it?
I don't know him. Pacho, Hava. Pacho Mouse.
Oh, the suit.
Okay. And you're fine, so.
Oh, I want to be a real in your body. I see. My to say, Oba son of Buffy, I hope I get my work. So, I'm a smart way home be on the pier. Me boom pay Mrs. What?
Okay.
Oh, yeah. And a mouse in the shrimp.
Hold on. Don't worry, like, I'll explain to you. You understand, okay? Until cheats, you know, because I don't
Okay, it's a member for me.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Very, very good.
Go school.
Oh, okay.
Because once you me. Yeah. Once me for any yet. Any early for me.
So,
oh, what are you?
Oh,
Baby, Nabana.
David. I said, Mick. I think we have seen it. But you're
tinting it and said me for a banner so baby.
It is also can English.
Oh, I came for the woman I want to marry.
Do you understand?
No.
Okay. Do you understand what he's saying?
No.
Oh, understand. Don't worry, understand everything. So, you know, I say, it be like say, some will pep Bema or beating your boy sita. So, maybe a Bema. Yeah, a man and a mabby brave. But I say, yeah. So, okay, I won't say where they because so media and so are, or Barnes Abbas or China, Mama. Why, in an hour, a meow.
Why only?
Oh, I'm casting here,
Okay, maybe.
Okay.
Sis? He came here purposely because he wants to marry you.
Marry me?
Yes.
Yes. And you okay, yes.
So,
She's
what do you think
serious.
about him? Yeah. He's very serious.
I'm
If
serious.
he's not serious, he won't come.
Let me go 360. The cup, so me a bema and the dress in the BBI is a ash puppy. Open phone one.
What do you do for a living?
Oh, to watch. Understand. I live at Chronom. Chronom.
On can't say baby out you.
Oh, mommy, what play? To watch it. Oh, remember Chronom no one. If there's some more quablan, I say appeared. Therefore,
What bomb, Papa? What say? What you then? Like, what do you do for living? What do you do? What you then?
Some of them men I'm paying.
Sis, I don't think he's serious.
I'm serious. I'm a shoemaker.
Shoemaker.
Yeah.
Please, do you understand shoemaker?
What shoemaker?
What do you do?
I do shoes. These shoes.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
that's nice.
So
You make shoes.
Yeah. Maybe be a mom wash come up.
And what do you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean?
Listen, leave now. We can I'm say come boy.
Me chance and me now yes simple. But I don't know rant about my press.
Be mama. We say I be mama many more go because you offer buchi na.
Kasa na me no can want it. Inti me ke bi ama.
Okay, now for so say me worry sister.
Really?
Wow. Na me show you oba na dey at mama me why. Remember?
Okay.
Mrs. Mu dey den. Tell him. Mrs. Mu den. Oh, tell him. Tell him where pa. Tell him.
Tell him?
It's her.
Oh, tell her. Mrs. Mu den. I have a big one.
Do you know what? He's not serious, so.
Seriously, I don't know what to say, Ken. Me, I'm tired. I just want to leave right now because I don't know what he's saying. You, I'm coming, okay? Oh, sure.
One, kind of grab me a woman. Me yard you woman. Certified team here. Come.
What do you bring to the table? What do you bring to the table?
I bring it for the table.
At the end of the day, relationship, then I will be like what?
Then I'm baby. Meet me.
It's okay. You I will talk to my sister. But then if I cast yeah, be any and I don't have a man.
Sarah.
Wait.
Come on, choose
Oh no, I'll call you. That's right. Right. But because I was stressing until Chino, it's woman force it and you're nice. Alright, thank you. So I'll call you. Okay? Say bye to her.
Say bye to her.
Kaba bye to her.
Oh, say bye to her. Oh. Say bye to her. I'll come back. Whether the rain will come down, I'll come here. This house, I'll marry. Who's this?
What is he talking about? I don't really understand what he's saying though. But well, okay, cool. He's interested in you. Yes. Because like you're ready to get married. So
Honestly speaking, he's not my scared. I don't like him.
but he said he wants to marry.
I don't like him.
Let's continue whatever we are doing. I'm sorry.
Also, I'm just come go inside.
Okay, cool. What do you want to eat? Hey.
Okay, so what's more serious?
Okay.
Isn't this nice?
Very nice.
Hi.
Hi. I'll go be Selma. Why not?
Hey. Madam, that's some way.
Yes, sir. Cover. Because we're meeting outside.
Oh, okay.
But I'll cover.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But I'll just show me and I'll just show you.
That's what I'm like. Yeah,
Okay. It's me excusing one.
that's it.
Okay.
So, how we are Ah. You okay? Hey. Madam!
That's your friend.
Yeah.
Okay, baby.
Of course. Me kasa no ho say o ka brofo. I dey want teach you.
I teach you what's English about.
Some they tell say bana ma ba ha. What say o say ba so no bi etifi ha. Ni ho etwa yi pa. Me so bi ho ni say e den a e wono.
I'm sorry,
Of
no,
course.
Just can you get up?
Okay.
Can you please get up?
Him?
Just get up.
Okay.
Yeah, just yeah.
Why?
Nothing.
That's what he said.
Yeah.
Madam,
That's why okay.
of course, I'm more than okay.
Yeah.
Right now we free Hong Kong, no maba. It may make us some share that empty.
And then so be right.
Oh, madam, is this so short here? This is also Talatia, or how short ya. This is Pocho Sosa, no so
Yeah. Why? In country because hey,
The repatriate in Anna said, maybe you'll be a businessman can see. I'm a free Hong Kong, my dear mother. Now, we man to say, many genuine pa. The customer penny dear, that's just a control many. I'm a pen so young country and customer warren straight. I'm coming home. Everything, the beer is on point. Of course.
do better than another way.
Be a businessman, the person make us a pin. What's it?
It says, let me cut everything short for you. He said he likes you. He wants to marry you. Like he loves you very, very much. So, what do you think about that?
Maybe it's okay, but what do you do?
I'm a businessman.
What's a rough kakra?
Back. Yeah.
Sorry, there's something. Can I take you off?
Oh yeah, of course. Oh my God! Thank you very much. I do appreciate. Okay.
Then you like him.
I think I like him. But
I see. But his language, like.
What was saying? I thought
No, oh, bruh. Tobo.
But you can not what was saying?
I go about if you also join the Gabriel. What did you be when you are baby?
Sorry.
The car wasn't any John Kaka.
야! 고무소 다이아 고무소 다이아. 고무소 다이아 고무소 소와 다이아.
Hey,
呀，你说修考好少下，你这个我叔叔少会修啊，大了不老大，红光过西啊，叔叔人大我这的。
You're looking at me. I don't even understand what he's saying. But she wasn't there. Like,
Me from Ghana, from Hong Kong for to Ghana.
okay.
你是我叔下下，就过了看你那叔叔的呀。
Can we go and see his family?
Sure.
So
But
what's
you'll
his
meet
family?
me.
Me family Ghana, no. Family Hong Kong, China.
So he doesn't have any relative here?
No,
Not even a friend?
I don't think so. But you're right down for.
No businessman, no friend. Me only.
Who's your bag you call their pay? Also, hey! One year while you were approaching
Babes?
Ghana.
Isn't he just come or something?
No叔大家大家公叔大家。
So, says, okay, so we are going to see his family in where?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Hey, we are going to see his family in Hong Kong, right? Yeah, so what do you think about that?
That's cool.
Okay. It's in the crack and the baggy. Oh, better. And better now.
读书我说啥 ？Always ready 读书好我说啥呀？这样。
Share. Wow. As I never have a Mrs. the only teacher. Me Ghana and your woman, you never call them up. It's won't me. Right. You're back in home. You, you're back Hong Kong, China. Hong Kong.
Take it 读书下。
Take it Hong Kong. You're back. Right. So you.
读书我说啥？说啥呀？
Escort him, okay?
恐怖！读书说啥呀？
I'm gonna see him.
Okay. Yeah,
Broken gate 读书说啥呀？
I'm gonna fix it very soon.
Hey, I mean, dear, you are brutally. She black Americans, you almost scared. She rough. We can't say I didn't cry. She. I bet na Ghana so power again. I say you Ghana ni bema Hong Kong. Ya ba ko mom dear. Yeah. I say mom.